Your front door is more than just an entryway, it's your home's first line of defense. For homeowners in Meridian, upgrading to a new, high-quality door can significantly improve home security while adding value and curb appeal. Whether you're concerned about break-ins, weather resistance, or energy efficiency, a door replacement offers an array of benefits that ensure your home stays safe and secure. Here's how replacing your door can enhance the security of your Meridian home. Stronger materials mean better protection. Many older doors, especially those made of wood or hollow core materials, are more susceptible to forced entry. Modern replacement doors are crafted from durable materials like steel, fiberglass, or solid wood that are far more resistant to impact and tampering. Steel doors. Known for their strength and durability, steel doors are a top choice for homeowners looking for maximum security. They resist dents, weathering, and break-ins. Fiberglass doors. These doors combine strength with versatility and require minimal maintenance. Fiberglass can mimic the look of wood while offering superior resistance to cracking and warping. Solid wood doors. While more traditional, solid wood doors offer impressive strength, especially when paired with modern locking mechanisms. Enhanced locking mechanism. A door is only as secure as its lock, and new doors are designed to accommodate advanced locking systems that make your home harder to breach. Multi-point locks. These systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, providing superior resistance to forced entry. Smart locks. Modern doors often support smart locks, which allow you to lock and unlock your door remotely, monitor access, and receive alerts when someone attempts unauthorized entry. Reinforced deadbolts. High-quality deadbolts with reinforced strike plates add another layer of protection, ensuring intruders cannot easily force the door open. Improved door frames and reinforcements. A strong door is only as secure as its frame. Older frames can weaken over time, especially if exposed to weather or pests. Replacement doors come with reinforced frames that resist splitting, sagging, or warping. Some doors also feature built-in metal plates or reinforced cores, making it even harder for an intruder to breach your home. Advanced glass options for added safety. Many doors feature decorative glass panels, but older doors with thin or single-pane glass are vulnerable to breakage. Modern replacement doors offer advanced glass options that enhance security. Tempered glass. Stronger than regular glass, it's designed to shatter into small, less harmful pieces rather than sharp shards. Laminated glass. 2 layers of glass with a plastic layer in between. Laminated glass is much harder to break through, even with force. Impact-resistant glass. Built to withstand extreme weather and break-in attempts, this glass option is ideal for maximum security. Weather resistance prevents weak points. In Meridian's variable climate, doors can suffer from wear and tear due to heat, cold, and moisture. Cracked or warped doors create vulnerabilities that make it easier for intruders to manipulate or bypass them. A replacement door with weather-resistant materials and finishes ensures that your door remains structurally sound and secure for years to come. Enhanced visibility and monitoring. Modern door designs often integrate features like peepholes, side lights, or smart cameras, giving you a clearer view of who is at your door without opening it. Smart doors can connect to your home's security system, enabling remote monitoring and adding an extra layer of safety. A psychological deterrent. A new, robust door sends a clear message: this home is well maintained and secure. Intruders are less likely to target homes that appear to have modern security features, including solid doors, advanced locks, and well-lit entryways. Compliance with modern building code. If your current door doesn't meet modern building and security standards, it could leave your home at risk. Replacement doors are designed to comply with current codes, ensuring optimal safety and peace of mind. Invest in security and peace of mind. Replacing your door is one of the most effective ways to enhance the security of your Meridian home. With options that combine durability, advanced technology, and modern design, a new door can transform your home's safety while improving energy efficiency and curb appeal. For the best results, consult a trusted local door replacement professional. They'll help you select the right door for your needs, ensure proper installation, and provide guidance on maintaining your investment. When it comes to protecting your home and loved ones, don't settle for less. Upgrade your door today and enjoy the benefits of improved security and peace of mind for years to come.